see what we got.
We gotta do a poll.
Yeah. About to pick up my grandma real quick. Trying to see her reaction. She gets kind of nervous really easily. And there she is. Put the stock exhaust on, Graham. Ever been in a relatively fast car?
No, this is the first time.
And I'm not saying, guys, this thing is a race car, but...
Yeah, but it's pretty damn good. Oh!
There's a RSX. Do you like this music, Graham?
I hate that smell. What is it, diesel?
I'm putting air in here. It's like running rich, Grandma.
Can't stand it.
Graham don't like the exhaust smoke.
Blame me. I don't know what the hell they're saying.
Are you alright, Graham?
It's funny, yeah. I like it. I don't care.
Oh my God. I forgot how hard it pulls at
so much
first.
Power, this damn thing.
It's just a Civic, Grandma. It's only a Civic.
I can't believe it.
Pretty quick, right? For a little two point slow. It was our first time being in a somewhat performance car, whatever you want to call it. So it was a lot of fun doing this. Graham had a blast.
Yes,
so
I did.
I'll see you guys in the next video.
Bye-bye.
Peace out. This guy's gonna pull out. You mother...
You mother, you.